Hey everyone, I have an exciting new listing on the market that I want to tell you about. It's a one-bedroom condo, only 400 square feet, no parking, and it's going for $799.
What? You're selling a one-bedroom condo with 400 square feet for $799? That's gotta be some kind of a joke. Guys, check this out. I've got a semi-detached. It's got 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms for under $750,000. Let me show it to you right now. Aren't you guys glad you guys came and checked this property out? You're getting a completely renovated property. There's nothing to do here. It's move-in ready. And I'm gonna reiterate, it's less than $750,000. Guys, you guys know what to do right now. And remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.